Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add Apple TV to your Google TV step by step so you can start enjoying Apple TV Plus shows and movies right away. First, make sure your Google TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Step 1. From the home screen, scroll down and select Apps. This is where you can browse or search for new applications. Step 2. Select Search for Apps and type Apple TV using the on-screen keyboard or use voice search with your remote. Step 3. From the search results, select the Apple TV app to open its details page. Here, you can view the app description, screenshots, and user ratings. Step 4. Click on Install to download and install the Apple TV app on your Google TV. Wait a few moments while the app downloads. This usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen or go to Your Apps to locate and open the Apple TV app. Step 6. Launch the app and sign in using your Apple ID. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one and subscribe to Apple TV Plus. After signing in, you can browse Apple TV's library of movies, shows, and exclusive content. Use your remote to navigate categories, search for titles, and enjoy high-quality streaming. Now you're ready to watch Apple TV on your Google TV anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step streaming and tech guides.